Another area in the on-site setting where we oftentimes have to measure hand forces is the use of span tools. When we use the term span, that just means that there are two handles that have to be approximated in some fashion. The classic example of this would be pliers of all sorts, but could also mean things such as channel locks or other hand forces that have two separate handles or a handle and a long trigger or other lever arm. For many hand tools that are spanned in nature, they may be compressing a variety of rings, springs, or other items, and the resistance of that action needs to be measured just as we normally would with a torque tool or a linear push-pull. For this particular example, we would again find the location of the application of force through the handle and utilize a standard force gauge at that point. Once we compress down through the resistance of whatever it is that you're trying to squeeze, then you would note both the peak and lowest point of force, because it might be very difficult in the beginning or very easy in the beginning, or the opposite once you've reached the end of the span. Typically, it's going to get harder the more you squeeze a spanning tool.